Welcome back YouTube, wie is die hier en Tech? Let me show you something. This picture circulates the internet and it's a very nice wildlife extreme stress test from 3D Mark, which is basically testing out the phone for performance and throttling. So it's a stress test. It is the wildlife extreme test running 20 times and just monitoring what happens every time after each test, how well or how worse the phone is handling it. I cannot confirm if this picture is 100% real, but the interesting point, if provided it's real, is that the iPhone 14 Pro Max using Apple A16 loses 30% of performance in 20 minutes, while the latest Vivo X90 Pro Plus on Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 only loses 10%. You can see this here, first test on the iPhone and then just going down and down. This provoked me to ask the very same question, but for my phone. I'm using the S22 Ultra Exynos 2001 version, guys, running on the latest December update, and I have right now 22 degrees ambient temperature right at home. So it's not cold, it's not hot. I think it's actually just quite nice compared to the latest standards. What I'm gonna do right now, I am going to run my 3D Mark and do the exact same wildlife extreme stress test. So here, guys, wildlife extreme stress test, guys. So I'm gonna run it, I'm gonna fast forward the video, guys, and then we're gonna see how much of the performance is my S22 Ultra going to lose. And I really hope that I'm gonna do better than the iPhone at least, and probably somewhere close to the Vivo. But all right, I know that quite too many times I'm having my hopes really far too high and the expectations are really elevated. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna fast forward the video, guys, and let's see what happens at the end. Alright, guys, this is the last test right now. I really hope that this is not going to be, very embarrassing, though I really think that it might be a little bit embarrassing. But you know, we are going to take it the way it is, so I am going to take it the way it is. That's the reality. Exynos is not really one of the best chips out there. I really had high hopes when Samsung announced this Exynos here 2200 with AMD and the RDNA version 2 and all of that, and with the GPU Eclipse 920, and honestly this really didn't really live up to the hype. So right now, can I say I'm hyped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2? Well, I have ordered the Xiaomi 13, so hopefully in 2-3 weeks we're going to have the first chance to compare the 8 Gen 2 with this, and then hopefully get our hands in the 8 Gen 2 in the S23 Ultra. Wow, my phone is burning. Hey, stress test, guys. Jesus, stability 70%. Yeah, what can I tell you? It doesn't really seem so bad. So battery drop from 90% to 77%, temperature from 34% to 42%, frame rate from 5 FPS to 13 FPS. The best loop score 1830, the lowest one 1327. The stability is 72%. And how does this rank here, guys, to what we've seen from that screenshot? Again, provided that that's true, because I don't have 100% proof. I really hope it is. So the iPhone, the highest score was 3000 something, the lowest score 2000 something. The stability rate was 70%. And the stability rate from the Vivo was 90%. Of course, this compares the highest loop with the lowest loop. And my stability rating is still better than what this picture is showing. And again, I'm not sure if that's 100% true. I anyway wanted to do this test. Let me know what do you think down below in the comments. And if you're here for the first time, don't hesitate but subscribe to the channel and then you get a free bonus. Of course, joking guys. Thank you so much for watching. VST over and bye.